There are so many programming languages these days. So as a Java developer, which one should you learn? We all only have 24 hours in a day. So choosing which programming language to learn is important. Now, there are a lot of top languages you can learn, but you can't really learn everything. There is no need to learn a language for the sake of just learning a language. You should have a reason, unless you have time to spare. So I'm just going to mention 4 languages which you can learn if you're a Java developer. Even if you're not a Java developer, these languages are still fine for you. Number 1, Scala. Now, Scala is another JVM language which is quite beautiful. It's also a multipurpose language. In fact, I think there's a way for you to build Android apps with Scala. But Scala is heavily used in distributed systems. There is a framework called Akka, which you can check out, which is quite interesting using actors. Scala is also used for data science. There are some beautiful data science libraries for Scala. So if you're interested in data science, but you want to use a JVM language, something similar, close to Java, you can use Scala. Also, the Scala community, just like the Java community, is a big community. When you learn a language like Scala, which will teach you functional programming, you get to see problems in a different light. The second language is Kotlin. Of course, by now, I think everyone should know what Kotlin is now. So Kotlin is basically like Java's brother. And basically what you can do with Java, you can do with Kotlin. And it has some nice features, some sugar, let me put it like that. It's a good addition to your toolbox. You can use it for Android applications. You can also use it on your frameworks. So as a Java developer, it's good to have all these tools. The third language is JavaScript. You can't run away from JavaScript. You will find it somewhere, whether on desktop, on web, mobile. Even now, you have JavaScript for artificial intelligence. So JavaScript is almost anywhere, and it's going to be a vital tool in your toolbox. Whether you want to be doing quick backend development with Node.js, or you want to work with your Java backend. Let's say you have a Spring backend and you want to tweak something in the front end with JavaScript. You need to know it. Or let's say you want to quickly do a desktop application. Though Java has a very stable way of building desktop applications, which is JavaFX. But that's for another video. But JavaScript is a sure tool for you. Then you have Python, our friendly friend Python. Now, I know once people hear Python, they normally go artificial intelligence, data science, but Python can also be used for web applications. With the rise of data science and artificial intelligence, it's a good tool to have in your toolbox. Also, for scripting, Python is good. In fact, Python is awesome to learn. There are many other languages. There is PHP, Swift, Rust, so many other beautiful languages. But programming languages are just like tools. Now, depending on what you want to do, select the right tool. But the languages I listed out are tools that, as a Java developer, would be nice to have in your toolbox. One day you might need them, or by working in them, they help change your mentality, and then you see your own Java program in a different way. I have had the situations where I work with another programming language different from what I am working with. When I come back to my language, because I've worked with something different, I see how to implement things differently. So working with Python, JavaScript, Scala, Kotlin, as a Java developer, this will be wonderful. Now, if you have been watching this and you're not a Java developer, I have a course which I take you from not knowing Java and I drive you to someone who can program in Java. So thanks for watching and subscribe for updates on some of these courses I mentioned.